the Earth is spinning at a rate of about 1,600 kilometers per hour for the points on the equator. At the same time, the Moon is revolving around the Earth at the rate of about 3,400 kilometers. So that basically what is happening is that the Moon's shadow on the Earth, complete shadow, is racing, right? The Moon is revolving around the Earth. At the same time, the Earth is spinning, but because the orbital speed of the Moon is essentially more than twice, the Earth's rotational speed at the equator. As a result, the umbra at Earth will be actually moving. It will be racing on the surface of the Earth. So what is shown here is a path of the Moon's complete shadow on the surface of the Earth at different times, in different years. Okay, so remember earlier today I said that there will be a total solar eclipse in November on November the 3rd this year, right? So then this would be the trace of of Moon's umbra, this line here. And then that's basically all. So the total solar eclipse could be visible only in these locations here. So if you happen to be in Africa, right, you can see it. It clearly is not going to be visible, the total solar eclipse, in North America or Europe, right? And that's because the width of the Moon's umbra at Earth is very small compared to the size of the Earth. It's 269 kilometers. Okay, but at the same time, the Earth is spinning around its axis in the same direction, right? At a speed of about 1,700 kilometers per hour at the equator. Okay, so here is the Earth, right? And it's spinning counterclockwise as observed from above its North Pole. At the same time, the Moon is revolving in the same direction around the Earth. So the Moon's complete shadow on the Earth would be racing at a speed that is roughly the difference between these two, right? So when you do the calculation right, and because the width of this spot here is only about 270 kilometers, and the spot is racing at the speed of about the difference between these two speeds. It turns out that at any point on the Earth where people can observe the total eclipse, it cannot last longer than about 7 minutes. 7.5 minutes. What I wrote here is not right. This should be not 9,200, it should be 7,000. I apologize.